Welcome to UrbanHood, your learning platform. Urban Food Alliance services the needy in our neighborhoods.
But quickly, I am Mushi Bhuiyan. I am with UrbanHood, Urban Food Alliance. We are a non-profit organization. As a non-profit organization, our parent organization is Urban Food Alliance. This is what we do weekly basis, every week, even every day. So people, we are operating in Central New Jersey. So when anybody needs any help, we are able to help them in any way possible. I know the guys. I know I made some of you co-host. There are people in the waiting list. Please let them get in. Okay. Um, and then as I said, Urban Food Alliance is a non-profit organization, and UrbanHood is educational platform. We are sister organization. At the end, we educate each other to help you to not only learn, at the same time help you to protect your money with some of the commercial product that we buy to educate ourselves on education purpose. And then we meet every day, midday, and some private time that we educate each other so we can grow together and protect our money. So sometimes people ask, why UrbanHood? And there are many reasons, to join with us. Number one, this learning platform. Everyone, even when is everyone, we have more than 20, 30 full-time traders, people, day traders. That's all they do. They are in our community. Right now, we are community of about 4,000 members, but out of 4,000 members, we have paid members, around 400 paid members. But at the end, we are all the traders, how do they make money? What is the reason behind it? Strategy, everything they come and share during our free sessions. And together we make money. So we offer the best learning platform. Then we help each other for uncertainties. We let people know whenever any of us know that, hey, this is the time to buy, this is the time to sell. And during our midday and all those private chat, then we let each other know. And third thing that we keep learning new things nowadays. That not only that one thing, stock and options. We make sure some people who is interested to learn more, teach you options, and those who also options, basic options. Then you dive into advanced options, and then real estate and Bitcoin and all those new things that going to help you to make extra money. We constantly add that in our portfolio and make sure others learn it. So number 4 is that we have paid commercial tools like Morningstar, Flow Algo, Benzinga, all those in our platform. And then we get the alerts. And also we have paid services. They offer us alerts. We also make our own alerts, and we also share the alerts for members with more advanced in platinum and other services. So together we learn at the end of the day. And also people, as we learn together, we also help others to raise up, meaning you take some roles, and then you learn some of the soft skill, speaking, leadership, project management, depends on what you like to do. That number 6, the more you give uh, to the community, and we also help you, to get access to some of those paid services and other paid services, so your skills get improved. So these classes already started. Some of you already joined last night. That and recording we will be sharing, and details for our online academy is going to have all the recordings very soon. But these classes, initially real estate, we thought of offering it for 4 weeks. Now it's going to be extending to 6 to 8 weeks. These are the things that we have. You can even screenshot it or take a look at it. We'll share with you later. But that's why you join and be a member. All the money we generate, we support not only our cause. At the same time, we keep adding more new capabilities and services, so you can consistently picking the winning trades. So the classes, one of the new batches of class is going to be starting in January. So that's also the good news coming up. We'll share with you that how all of us can get access to those classes, and we are sharing the responsibility with you. If you are serious to learn with us, in the past we used to have our members pay extra fee to generate money for our charity, but in future only this Black Friday sale, we are offering this with all the members. So this is a Black Friday sale, and I'll discuss with you later. But I wanted to tell you that everyone who is going to be signing up yearly membership for gold and platinum, you will get an access to a accountant CPA. We partner with the CPS organization. They are going to be doing your personal tax. So you will get as a gold member, yearly gold member or platinum member, your tax is going to be taken care of, and you'll have access to him. Whatever question you have, he will answer, support you, help you. And the other thing, is or if somebody says I don't need this, you can take access to Office 365 for $110 value every single up to 5 PC.
Alternative fuel, hydrogen fuel-esque company. So take a look at that video. It'll explain a little more in detail from a high level and for this company individually.
Thank you.
I just muted folks, so now you should be okay.
Okay. So that's the other one. But and then people ask for if what about that I am a silver member. If you are a silver member, as you know that in the past we added a lot of services. All those services cost us money. But for this Black Friday, if you sign up a yearly member of silver, you will get one or the other one, this one, but not the online university, because we realized that those who is serious, who want to learn, you will take that gold membership, because the gold membership you will see that what happens, how we challenge ourselves. Will guarantee if you do not make the money you invest with the gold, we'll refund your money. That's and it's that time means we are sharing the responsibility with you, and same time we are also telling you what to buy, and what to sell, and when. All those means the volunteers at the same time, some of those leaders, they stepped up. They are spending a lot of time with you, investing time with you. So go only with the gold members and platinum members. For silver members, we figured a lot of people just want to just take a look, just check it out. So with that, we think that this is very fair price. So $250. And then the other thing we are going to do that is like a class coming up, this coming December or January, we're setting it up, is Zero to Hero program. It's going to be 3 months program, and the fee is going to be $7.99. All these classes, every week we are going to have this class. Meaning on Zero to Hero program means we expect you know nothing. But from zero background, at the end, you will be able to understand the investment. You'll learn also how to analyze any type of investment, especially stocks, options, and you'll be able to make call. Should you buy this as a stock or should you buy option? If you do, what are the options you can consider for yourself based on your goal. So this class, 12 weeks class, is going to happen in 3 months. At the same time, everyone who sign up for this class, they will have access to gold for 3 months gold membership along with this package. But those who sign up to the first 20 yearly membership, this is only for gold and platinum. 20 people that I'm going to get, first 20 people is going to get access to this. I know that since we announced, Omar already has some is there. So only 20 people we're going to put that back in there, because there are some certain things, material that we are printing that we want to keep it. We cannot give everything away, folks. So that's all I want to make sure that you guys know. All these details we're going to put in on the website. And that's all I have for now. And then I will take question on this later on. But first, I want to just give the floor back to Raman, because he has materials ready for you guys, and he's going to share with you the contents. Raman, floor is yours.
Right. Thanks a lot, Mushi. So first of all, welcome guys to all the gold members and the guests we have as part of the Tuesday session. I think it's been an exciting journey for the gold members. I'll just take a couple of minutes. When we started this gold member, I was a little bit skeptical.
You're on mute, looks like.
Yeah, I think
Raman,
we
you're
lost
mute.
it.
I'm sorry. Thank you. I'll start all over again. Okay. Thank you for doing that. Appreciate it. So, first of all, thanks to all the gold members and to the new members and some guests as part of this community for joining today. We really appreciate your time. I will share my personal experience with you on gold member, what it is and all that. So when we started this gold member, I was personally a little skeptical about when the idea was floated. I'll be honest, I was skeptical that, it's very hard to give trades which are successful at the rate what they have been given. I've seen from last 2 months, and I think it's been phenomenal. So I think these guys have proven me wrong for sure. Abdul, Mushi, Omar, Dilawar, Vikas, all of them. I was a little skeptical. But I think team has done a wonderful job around it. And it's not only the people who are sending trades, there are a lot of volunteers who work in the background to make this happen. And all those volunteers work in different capacity to make it possible so that, everybody gets what they want, right? I mean, this is not about somebody's getting paid for it. Everybody's volunteering their time. Like I can say we have a team which, takes care of the gold tracker sheet. And it's very hard to go in, look at the messages and track, calculate the profit, put it in, and they do a fabulous job. And I'll start with the name, Hanuma, Ali Imran, Siraj, Ganesh, all of them do a tremendous and a wonderful job. Every weekly, they kind of roll over themselves, transition work from one to other very seamlessly. And I never heard issues from them. I think that's the best part. This such a good team we have on this in this group. And as I said, it's not possible without everybody participating. We did had a couple of new signups for the volunteers, and that was Srinivas and Robin. I had a great discussion with Robin yesterday, almost an hour, and clarifying her about what she needs, and she was very excited about it for help. So as I said, it's a volunteer group, it's a volunteer organization. It's a learning opportunity for all of us, and we all are doing it. I'm learning from the trades which are being said by Abdul, which are seen by Mushi, which are seen by Omar, and everybody else. I mean, there have been fabulous trades which have been shared, and I can count them on the fingertips. And they have made a lot of profit. Like I think there was a Boeing trade which was shared recently, and then a Baba trade, Apple trade. Awesome trades. Nobody has lost a lot of money on this group. So I will highly encourage folks to keep doing what they're doing and keep volunteering. I think we need more help to grow this group. When we started this group, we only had 32 folks, and guess what? Tonight on the gold member group, just in 2 months, we have 72 folks. And I think Omar can probably give a better statistics how many people have left after joining. If I remember correctly, only a couple of people have left, and we have increased more than 100% in just 2 months. So
We
that's
had,
really good. Yeah, go ahead, Omar.
sorry to cut you off, Rahman, before you go off this topic. We've had 2 people leave, and
Yes.
I'm not going to say the names, but I'll tell you the reasons why both of them left.
Sure.
One of them left because of the market turbulence, and he was flying back home, and it was going to be hard for him to trade from back home. So he basically didn't really leave. He's just taking some time off. And then once he returns back to the States, he's going to join back. And then the second person left because they thought that 500 was too much for what they were getting. So what they wanted to pay was half the price at 250 for the year.
Right.
And I was trying to explain to this person that you're paying $500 for gold yearly membership, and you're going to be receiving access to free classes, and you're going to be receiving trades that are, very, you know, what's the word, like less risky, and they're guaranteed to make you money. And we've had people that have made their 500 that they have paid within a week to a week and a half, and we have members here. They can tell you, whether or not they've made their money back.
I'll be
So
the first one to acknowledge that, Omar. I mean, just from the Boeing trade, I probably paid off for the next 10 years, for the next 10 years. So
yeah, and when
So-
and when I see that we are given so much for a low price, and people want to cut that price in half, unfortunately, I had to tell this person, please find somewhere else. I don't like to turn anybody away, but there's times where you just have to tell somebody, and these are the two people that, left. As far as everybody else, everybody's still here and everybody's loving it, and later on, we're going to see if a few of our members, the gold members, would like to talk from their experience on their self. We don't have anybody, we don't tell anybody what to say. We don't prepare any, sketches. We don't prepare any dialogue. This is all going to be coming from what they want to say. So if they're going to say something bad tonight, oh well. If they're going to say something good, I'm going to be here to listen just like everybody else.
Right.
That guy, just to let you know that existing member told us to raise the price. So is after this week, price is going to be changed. So that's those who already joined us from the beginning, that continuously we not only add new capability, our prices are going to be up. Right after this weekend, and same thing, the existing benefit we said is going to be also it gets removed. So you go ahead.
Okay, thanks, Mushi, and thanks, Omar, for pitching in. So I guess respecting the time, I'm gonna give it to Abdul. He's gonna share the Excel sheet, and that will probably contain all the trades which he has been sharing, other folks have been sharing, and then we'll go over to the testimonials. We have a few speakers lined up who are going to speak in favor or in against of the gold group. And hopefully it's all going to be supporting. So we'll see. All right.
At the same time, the gold members, please we ask questions. This is your time to ask questions. Like how do you interpret, at what point, and when we share this information. I think, Ramon, if we can open up your Telegram to say, here is the information, and everything happens through Telegram. So that when the team knows, okay, and we not only give the trade, we kept it separate. We have one restricted group, only traders, experienced traders can type in. The rest members just kind of do not, there is no discussion happens there. And the other one is you can ask questions in there. So that way, we clarify if any trade we give, we clarify in that chat. So
let me share my screen.
So this way, at least when those new members or people that are, how do we operate? This is how we operate.
Let me share my screen with you guys. So folks who are new, we have a gold member question group, which is everybody is allowed to post, including the members. So we have like 72 members in the group right now. And each one of them are allowed to post in this group, ask questions about the trade. But mostly it's, unless they have questions, it's a very quiet group. And I think that keeps the noise away and, keep the sentiments in check. So we really appreciate that support from all the members. We also have a gold members group. This is mostly a read-only group, and that's where we share the trades. So here you see Abdul trading, buy Apple 120 call January 15, 2021 at the rate 350. So this is an option call which is being shared, which I think it just came today. So which I think is going to be an awesome call. I could see that because Apple is going to run up. So similarly, there are a lot of trades and articles which are shared as part of this, which we think are probably sometimes are necessary in order to support the decision. Like this one, Abdul posted just to support the previous trade, which he posted, I think probably like an hour back. So, this was regarding the ticker VIAC. So I guess the point is this channel is only for posting for certain people who manage the group or who share the trade. Apart from that, everybody is read only. You're not supposed to, respond to this. If you have any questions about it, volunteers or the members can always go back to the members question group and they can post it. So that's how we operate. We do not pick any trades from Discords, or we do not discuss any trade from Discord in this group. This is purely trades which are being shared as part of the gold member group. That's pretty much. Mushi, is there anything else you want me to add, or we're good?
This is good.
Yeah,
Okay.
Just real quick summary. We broke it down into two groups. We didn't want to make it into one group, so that way trades are not mixed with all the chat that's going on. So one room is where all the trades are given. You read it over there, and the other room is where you talk about the trades if you have anything to clarify. That's
I
it.
want to talk about the other thing. As a gold member, gold members get a buddy assigned. It's based on your request and how that works. Would love to, if you can. I know that you have some buddy already lined up. If you have assigned and the team, that will also help other people to know how is that working out.
Sure. So thanks a lot for reminding me about Mushi. I almost forgot about it. So thank you for doing that. So we do have a buddy system within the group, and I would encourage the testimonial folks who are going to speak. They speak something about it if they have found any value or not. Just include that, because I think that will also be beneficial. But anyways, coming back to the buddy system. So what we do is we assign 1 or 2 buddies to you within the gold group. And you guys are, you guys can discuss offline, and it is not an official group, but just a casual group. So you guys can keep a check on each other and help each other when the trade comes, because nobody's going to call you. But if one of your buddies sees that, it just becomes so much easier to communicate. If the market goes down for some reason, and you missed the trade on this group, and you missed the alert, right? Your buddy can call you and alert you, right? I think that's going to be the biggest help, right? Or you miss a trade which somebody thinks is going to be a good trade, or discussing about the fundamentals, technicals, option trading, different strategies about it. That's what it's all about. So buddy, I have found a great value in buddy system. I do have some buddies within this group, but it's not very formal. But I do enjoy their company and their advice. So I hope all the people in the gold group are already enjoying it, and that's what I hear. So I'm assuming we'll hear that as part of the testimonial too. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Abdul, just to keep the time in check, I really don't want to go beyond the hour as everybody is busy. So I'll pass on the floor to you, and you can share the Excel sheet.
Actually, I don't have the Excel sheet with me. Can you share it? Or
I can share it. I can share it.
Share that we can just discuss it as we go.
Sure.
Thank you.
Hold on. I actually sent you the link in the chat.
Okay.
If you don't have it, you should be able to open it, I guess. That's what I've just become a little bit easier if you want to do it.
I don't have it.
You don't have it? I sent it to you in the group chat.
Oh, it's not in Zoom. Okay.
Not in Zoom. No. In the
I don't have Telegram set up on my.
I can send you that. Hold on. Just a minute.
Okay,
If you just share it, I can just discuss it if you share it.
While you're getting ready, just others,
Hey, Raman, I can share. Raman,
Yes.
I can share.
No, I just wanted Abdul to, because I think he wants to drive on his own. So
No,
Okay.
Raman, I don't have Telegram set up on this computer.
Okay. No worries. Okay, I'll go ahead and do it. That's fine. And who's that? Hanuma, was that you who was speaking?
Yes.
Excellent. I will. Mushi, can you please make Hanuma the host? I think he would like to share. That'll be great help. And that's how volunteers step up. Thank you so much, Hanuma.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So I'm going to stop sharing it and I will let Hanuman drive it from here.
So while that is coming up there, let's see here. You can see the market has been very good to us last few days. And that's all the sentiment of what's been going on as far as the political arena with the president being now confirmed and also our current president acknowledging the transition. So this has all been good there. And also the market likes what they're hearing and seeing. So I think this bull market is going to continue. I mean, obviously we'll have ups and downs, but this will definitely continue. So it's better to be invested than have cash, but always keep some cash on the side for the right moment.
Hi, Mushi. Can you make me host on the other? I logged in 2 places, one computer and one phone.
Okay.
Sorry.
That's okay. I just have to see where is the other connection.
Same name, yeah.
Same name. I see only one. Okay, I see. Done.
Okay, thank you.
Mhm.
While Hanuman's getting that set up, does anybody have any questions right now or comments?
I can give you good news. US futures are flying.
Yes, they are. Absolutely. It's good news. We like what's going on with the presidency. So yeah, and this is a short week, so it also helps us with on the if you're on the selling side of puts or calls because of theta decay. So just keep in mind, market is open tomorrow full day. Friday, market is going to close at 1 p.m. Eastern time. So if you're having any trades on, just keep an eye on that for timing. Okay, here we go. So this, Hanuman, can you share with the sheet what this is here?
Sure. I'll let Hanuman speak, I think, yeah.
Please.
Hanuman, you can go ahead.
Yeah, Abdul, which one? What do you want?
What each sheet is. So this one here is our November.
Oh, yeah. This is November and leaps 2021 and beyond.
Well, let's start with just quick rundown from September, October, just quickly, so because we have a lot of guests on.
Sure. Yeah. This is the September options sheet.
So you can see here that the trades that were alerted tells you the date, time, what action was supposed to be taken, and our profitability, whether it was profit or not. And you can see our profitable for the month of September. If you took all the trades, if you invested $1,000, you would have made $1,100 profit on that $1,000 investment. So that's 100% return on your investment. We want to move to October.
Yeah. So this is the October.
This is October month. Is that the same? Is that our $1,000 profit for October as well? It should be more, I believe. Because if they took one out, this is just on options only.
Yeah, this is only options, not stocks.
So this number represents only doing one contract. So just so you understand,
Yes.
if you one contract only.
Yeah.
Okay. So if you did one contract on each of these tickers here, your investment was total $4,400. You would have made $1,000 profit again just doing one contract. If you did multiple contracts, obviously it was more. So that was the options for October. And then November.
So far there are more than 1,000 and we still have open trades. 3 trades are still open.
Yeah, Baba is still open, which is going to do very well.
Yeah,
and
Baba
Walmart
is doing well. Walmart is well, and Baidu is another one open recently.
Yeah, so Baba is doing very well. It's up significantly. Our Walmart trade, it's a leap call, so we've had a lot of time. We're already up about, I believe, maybe close to 20% on that trade. And then Baidu, we still have some time on that one too. Okay, and then the ones on the bottom, those are
These are the leaps.
leaps. Okay. So those are still, we've got open positions.
Yeah, we closed only a couple of them, and remaining all are open.
Okay. So we're in pretty good shape on all these trades here. Okay. Any questions we have so far here?
So the only thing I would add is, folks, as I was telling you about how these sheets are being maintained. So Hanuma, Siraj, Ali, all these folks, they maintain this sheet every weekend. They spend their own time doing it, and see how neatly it is being done. So, and it's being shared with all the gold members in the chat group, which I also showed you. So, so that folks may know what is open and what is closed. I think this is the best hand holding group I've ever seen. Go ahead, Hanuman Abdul. Thank you.
Yeah, next is stocks tab, this one. Abdul?
Okay. Yes, perfect. So these ones again were alerts on the stocks. It's hard for us to gauge on when everyone enters. We give our alert, and then we tell everyone here on this one when we do give alerts for exiting, but others have different profits. They want 20%, 30%. Whenever they're comfortable, we tell them to take profits. So that's why you see $1 of sell price or close trades, because each individual is exiting at different times, and some of us are still holding these positions. But you can see the entry dates that we've had and prices, and they've been very, very, very profitable.
Yeah, from September. And we have 2 trades closed. One is a TGI. That one we bought for $7 and closed at 11.58. It's a more than 70% profit on this. And Blink is another one. We bought it below $7 and we sold at 18, and it's 169% profit on that.
That's right. Okay, and then what else we got? Anything else here? That's GE actually.
This is covered calls. Okay, sorry. Yeah, go ahead, Abdul.
No,
Yeah.
on GE, we went in and out already multiple times.
Yes, yeah.
We bought at 6, sold at 7, got back at 6, and now you can see it's at $10, and we're holding that position on that one there. Let's see if there's anything else that we have here. No, I mean, like, we give an example here. We have one on the bottom here. I mean, all these trades have been profitable.
I think Boeing is going to be a star.
Absolutely. I mean, it's at $220 already, and our instructions here from Mushi was 160. I mean, that's, it could be 250 and not too far away in the very near future.
Abdul, other good ones are CCL and Uber.
Yes, that's right. Those were
good. CCL we entered multiple times.
Yes, we did. We did also the one for AMD. On that one too has been very profitable. American Airlines, I know we were down on it, but look at it today. It's right now after hours $15.17. We entered it a little high when some of us averaged down. We also had the call options on there, so that's also doing very well. Coming down here, we alerted on HBI. That's right now almost we entered at 13.10, and we did stock and the options, and that one is right now at around $15 already today. Baba, we entered here. We got this. Baba's got a lot of steam behind it right now. It's going to be moving up. Peloton, Zoom, MMDM was also last week. We entered. It hit last week after earnings around almost close to $6 in that trade. Some of us are still holding it. Some have closed the trade.
IDEX is one. Last week we entered.
Yeah, that we entered on Friday afternoon. And look at the time. You can tell you that Friday afternoon, and today it hit, I believe, around 4:10, 4:15, or actually maybe even more than that. Right now it's back down to about in the $3 range. So some of us had already exited or got back in, but again, it's a profitable trade. Okay, that's on our stocks for this month here, and that's accumulation of all our positions we have. Okay, so yeah, I mean, any questions here? So again, I'm not sure. Obviously, everyone is not able to take every single trade, but as you can see on these trades that you pick and choose, and if you just did on the one positions on the options, the profitability, and these stocks too, if you did trades, you've made profit here.
Hey, Abdul, Abdul, I want to respond to somebody asking for what is this sheet. All this information we shared earlier, everything is shared in Telegram. If you are in gold member Telegram group, you will see that Abdul's name these trades. Abdul, the lover, myself, Mushi, Omar, all the experience that the traders share their trade in that Telegram group. Okay, and then we have Hanuma and other volunteers taking all the information, putting it in Excel and create this Excel so we can track on our success rate. But moving forward, you'll see that honestly, you'll see today also that I was working with our automation team. All this information is going to be in our portal. So soon you are going to see that we will have a portal login. All the gold members then can see this dynamic in the portal. So you do not have to do manually all this. So we'll be able to also save the time at the same time that you do not have to, so do I have access to it or not? It's all web-based.
Great. Thanks, Mushi.
Mhm.
So, Abdul, if we are done with the Excel sheet, we can probably move on to the...
Just two more quickly. On one is that we initiated last month our first trades into doing covered calls. So, Harman, if you just maybe move on to that.
Yes.
To show some of the idea of some of the trades we've done. We've already closed one of the positions already and had profit. We have few positions currently open, which will be expiring, and mostly will be all stocks will be called away as the market has been benefiting to us in far as price hikes. So these trades were to show people that do not know how to do covered calls, how to do covered calls. And at that same time, in that alert, we also tell you your maximum profit that you will make on that trade. And if the stock, the call does not hit that stock price, we keep 100% of that premium. And then we do the same trade again the following month and collect more premium. So this is where we're teaching this as well. So many members did not know how to do covered calls. So we've started this and initiated this here. And then we also did, we just started this last week. There's one alert in here, I believe, or two alerts about naked puts. So some of the members reached out, said, we would like to learn about doing those. And so we started initiating a couple of trades on that. And those are risky trades, but it's more for the experienced traders in this group. And so we just started sharing some of those alerts in here. Raman, I am done with the sheet here.
Okay. Thanks a lot, Abdul. So I think...
just let me add something, Raman. Not only that we're sharing less risky trades and trades that you don't need to sit and babysit and trades that are profitable, we're also identifying every member's weakness and their strength, what kind of trades work out good for them. And because if you think about it, there's plenty of different types of trades. It's not just buy stock, sell stock, or buy options, sell options. There's calendar spreads, there's debit spreads, there's all different types of trades. And Abdul is one of the guys, and along with the other experienced traders in a group that knows a lot of different techniques and a lot of different trades. And we see which one works better for people. And if you want to learn it, we teach it, and we make sure that it works out for you. That's pretty much it. Back to you, Raman.
Thanks, Omar, for rephrasing everything. I think everything you put it very nicely in a nutshell. All right, I think we'll move on to the testimonials, and then we'll take on some questions. So I guess I'll let Mr. Bajwa go ahead first, because I think he was already in the process of writing something. So Mr. Bajwa, if you're on the call, you may go ahead. Mr. Bajwa, are you there?
Yes, actually my internet was having problem. So I have taken on my cell phone. So I have two connections now. So are you listening me?
Yes, we can hear you. Mr. Bajwa, we can hear you.
Okay. So when I joined UFA, actually I joined in April. And later on, in the beginning, I joined as a silver member, and then I converted to golden membership. And I was trading since years, but I never found that why I am picking this stock. Actually, in the beginning, I started with oil and gas because I was professionally working in the oil and gas companies and some banks and things like that. But I never knew when to enter and when to exit the trade. And sometimes just I was getting some money and mostly I was losing. So in the end, I was making equal everything. So I was trying to get some platform, learning platform, but I could not find what I was trying to find. So by chance, I got this from the internet UFA, and where my this journey started. So now I know even my progress is not so much. In the beginning, I had some my family issues and could not give the time. But now I know what I am doing, and I am getting educational informed decisions from the UFA group and all the volunteers. And meanwhile, I am trying to learn myself. I have already taken basic option class, and I have registered for the advanced class. And of course, I had some background since I was doing the trading earlier. So with this background, I am trying to understand, and I have learned a lot. Even in October, I was in options. I was plus, just I started, but in November, due to some work flux expiry of my cars, so I went to negative. But I am still happy because I have learned and I know why it has happened. So even today I was talking with Mushi, so I got one option, stock today, and that was went down, but that was my own mistake. It is not team that was a good stock, and that was my mistake because I did not give the time in the morning to settle the and to see watch the stock, and I in hurry I just bought it, and later on it went down and then up and things like that. So we have to do our due diligence. So I don't have.
Muhammad, I think you cut off. Muhammad, I think he's having connection issues. Hello.
Yeah,
Okay.
I cannot hear him too.
Yeah, I can't hear him either. In the meantime, if anybody else, any other member would like to
I
also.
think we have Tapshi, I guess. Yeah,
Tashi?
yeah.
Tashi, are you there?
Hi everyone, can you guys hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Yes, so quick, I'll just finish it quick. I don't have much to say. So yeah, I was introduced to stock just recently in August. I didn't know much. I needed help, went to, the Meetup app, and that's where I started. And first I didn't know much, so I was just like going through the website, trying to find out what's going on, like attending all the meetings, and just like basically, it took some time for me to trust, but now it's just more than a trust. It's just like, it's just is more than anything. It's just it changed my life, to be honest, because to open my eyes. This is just for me, this is for freedom for me, because right now I'm just basically learning everything what's going on with you guys. And I had a good trades on, since I'm a beginner, I had a great trades on the Neo that you guys gave. Nicola, you guys gave. That was before a membership. And after our membership, I felt more comfortable. being in the stock market, and obviously with your guys' help. It's been a great journey, and I'm very, very happy to be here.
I
That's all
remember
I gotta say.
yesterday, Tashi, you were commenting in the group that you took the FCell ticker trade, and you
Sorry,
said that you
which one is it again?
FCell, FCEL.
FCEL is that I may have entered it in a limited, what do you call it? The limited market price.
Yeah.
So I did not get it.
I remember you commented yesterday. You said you made good money on it, and you were thanking.
Wait,
what ticker was that? Yesterday you made a comment in the group.
let me come back to it, because I have so many tickers in here, and I sold most of it this morning. But yeah, I did comment it. Yes, I gotta check it back, and then I'm just gonna.
Yeah, it's no problem.
it
It's
in
no
there.
problem at all. Don't worry about it. If anybody else wants to share experience,
I think I can go.
Yeah, go ahead.
Hi, my name is Anjul. So I have been a member for over 2 months, and initially when I became a member, I first got some basic options class, and then I was added to the Discord group, and then I saw the contributions that people were making and decided to become a platinum member. And besides knowing, or besides getting some heads up about what's coming or what to look out for during the day or during the week, and then they providing good tickers and then good stocks to add to the portfolio, I think what people don't realize is that the community as a whole provides a lot of information and a lot of knowledge. So you could be taking the class and maybe that will give you 50%, but then when you have questions or when you want to know more or how people trade, that is something I learned from the community. A lot of the members that contribute every day to make sure that we know about the stock, or we know how to trade, what to look out for, how to manage risk. And I think I had mentioned before too that one thing I learned was before I used to just get into a contract and then hold it. But then I noticed Abdul, how he was playing is he would play the same contract over and over again, but then he would take some profit, get out, wait for the market to pull back, like next week, again, take the same contract. And I kind of like that because I realized what mistake I was making. And if I were to make some profit and then the market pulls back, I lose that. And then again, I wait for it to go up. And instead of doing that, I thought, okay, why not use this strategy? So that's just an example. But there are other examples too of how people try to minimize the risk or manage the risk. And I think it has been a really good learning experience, and I have become more active. And also the trades that they give, majority of them are really quality trades. I think initially I was very skeptical about paying that much money for a yearly membership. But then when I did some digging, the flow, not flow algo. Yeah, I think the flow algo itself, where you see all the trades that's happening, yearly membership is $1,500, whereas over here it's given to you for free. So I think overall the benefits are more, and I certainly could see that. And I have also, it was like word of mouth to my friends, encouraging them to see if they're into it, then take a look at it. You don't have to be in it, but take a look at it. And anybody who saw or who observed it, they got into it because they saw that instead of them doing it alone by themselves, if there's a community, you are well prepared to handle the market and the swings and everything that's happening. So I think for me, it has been very beneficial to be part of the platinum, even gold membership. I see that a lot of activities are happening over there. So yeah, that's my that's what I think about the membership, and personally it benefited me, and I'm pretty sure my friends who joined, they benefited from it as well.
Thank you, Anjurul, for the nice word, and Tapshi and Mr. Bajwa. Really appreciate your feedback. This means a lot to everybody. Um, Anybody else who wants to step up and add something?
Yeah. Hello. This is Ali Darwish. I signed up end of October, so been only 3-4 weeks. So far, it's very beneficial. I learned a lot during these few weeks. I've been trading for about 2 years, and I subscribed to many other services. But honestly, the amount that I get from this service for the money, it's just a great, great value. I love the unusual options activity. I've just been following the big money and just putting a little bit of position in each. It's been doing very well. And so I love it, and I highly recommend it for anyone who's considering this.
Thank you, Ali. I think you put very well in few words. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Anybody else who wants to step up and add something?
Sure. This is I would like to say a few words. So this is Sami Khan. I joined in the mid of October, and I love this program. The way to get the first-hand knowledge from those expert traders, the way the information is being passed on, the way the training structure was put in place, I really like it. And so that's why yesterday I decided to change my quarterly membership to the yearly membership, and I switched the quarterly to yearly. And this is a very valuable platform. It's not only it's a community is the one which actually makes it more feasible rather than just going through the course from one place to another place. I've been doing trading. I was trying the Fisher investment, JP Morgan, active trading platforms, everything. I've tried many of those things. Those things are separate, but if you want to be active trader and you want to do the swing trade and the short, and this is the place which I really like about this place. And so far, within a month and a half, I made more than what I paid for the yearly membership. And I'm just doing the very, very small trades, but I'm just following the lead of the from the experts, which they are following it. I was new to the options. Now I have more I was in the past, I was only doing the stock, but now I'm start getting comfortable to the options as well.
Right. I think that's very, very well said, Sami. I don't think so. I would have said better than you. So thanks a lot for putting those words in. Appreciate it.
Raman, are you hearing me?
Yes, sir.
So I left, actually my connection had the problem. So just I want to say the closing words. So now in the stocks, I have learned a lot. I could not calculate, but I have already given my feedback. And just I will share my perspective. So what I think at this time, I am in the high school, when I am a gold member. As far I am learning from the colleagues and from the Mushi, Abdul, Umar, Dilawar, all these people. And I will say that I'm looking forward for the platinum membership, and I will say that is for me a university. And Mushi is the president of the university, and the other members all are the I will say professor for me and mentors. How I treat it, and I am planning to have shift this after 6 months. And before going university, you should have the basic education, which I am getting in the high school. I am getting myself also. So when I will be ready, I will go to university.
Excellent. Thank you so much, Mr. Bajwa. I know you spent a lot of time on these notes. As you said, we really appreciate it. Not many people, I mean, these notes and the words you said, they mean a lot to all the volunteers and all the people who are actually working on in the background.
And really, this is not something I'm exaggerating. It is really what is my perspective and how I am planning it myself.
Right. No, I really appreciate Ali, Sami, yourself, and everybody else who has spoken has been awesome. Thank you. Anybody else who wants to speak up? Else we'll go on to the Q&A session.
Raman, I can talk. Yeah.
Yes.
This is Hanuma. Yeah.
Okay.
Hi guys. I joined UrbanHood Alliance team. I'm a silver member from May, and became gold member from September. And whatever annual membership I paid, I got it in the first couple of trades in first month itself. Abdul, Mushi, Dalawar, Omar, they are doing a great job and sharing very good trades. I myself considered good in trading, and I have been trading for more than 10 plus years, and I trade options also. But this service is very good for who are good in trading also, not only for beginners, and good for even experienced people also, because the guidance and assurance comes from Mushi, Abdul, very good. In a market downtrend in September, October, guidance was very good, and assurance to hold the losing positions, because this is not the end of the world, and that kind of guidance is very good. Couple of trades I tell is Tesla. When it was 350, 330, everyone was worried selling it, and Mushi told this is a good buy for long-term hold, and it was given in the gold room, and yeah, we bought it and still holding it. Now it is at 550, 560. And other trade is like a Snap is one example, and we did the options on that, and so more than 200% profit in few days in Snap. And other Abdul responds to all the questions asked in Gold team Telegram room, and he's very good, and he's very prompt answering questions, not only related to the stocks given in the Gold room, and any of your personal question or anything, he is answering very promptly. Very good. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, Hanuma, for being so detailed and so comprehensive. Thank you so much. Appreciate your.
Yes, thank you. Let's open it up for any questions. If anybody has any questions.
Yep, let's open up Q&A, and at the end, I think some people private texted, how do we, what's next? So I want to share, and Omar, I know that you have also something Thunder to set up. You mentioned about in a reward. So like, get ready for that, but let's open up for Q&A from the members. And also the guest. And meanwhile, those who already signed up for yearly membership that on Gold, that you might want to say, okay, how do I get access to this training? So I want to, right before I came in, I just wanted to make sure that I let you guys know. I had to add some extra survey. It's going to cost us more money, but it's going to help us and help us in future. You'll see this link we're going to share in the Gold room. And once you come in, you'll see this portal where all of our classes, materials are there. You see that if somebody goes each one, go add up, these all alone is over $2,000 that worth. So those who go get membership, who already has Gold membership, that you are going to get it at the end. Come at the end, and I like what Bajwa mentioned. UrbanHood Academy we used to call. We're going to call it UrbanHood University. So this is how it's going to be. You click on the Learn More. Once you click on Learn More, it's going to let you do a trial. And just for all the other members, just click on go through this and sign up the trial. All the existing Gold members who signed up for the yearly. And then once you do it in our Umar and myself and in the team, we're going to work behind the scene that way after 7 days trial, that you do not get access. You'll have access to everything. You see that? Have everything for the year. All right. So just that's going that way. I know that many times I'm going back and forth. Okay, what email are you account using? You do not have to deal with it. You will have everything we have in our academy or the UrbanHood University. That's what we're going to call soon. All right. That's that. And the other thing people asked for. Okay, everything we signed up today. Quickly, if you go urbanhood.org. and you'll see the stuff I shared with you, that Black Friday sale. Here you'll see that. And then being a platinum and Gold platinum, these 2A gets this, and limited B, access online more than the 100 hours of training. This reverse limited time only. And here I made sure that class only gold and platinum members get this B, because as we mentioned that the 250 versus this 500 and this. And then if anybody wants to know the difference between each membership, if you click on this membership, it gives you also all the details, the explanation, what are the difference between gold and platinum. So mostly one main key things in the platinum is you get to have one-on-one with start right now it's me, but in future we'll have more and more gold members just like Abdul and others that Delavar and others are there, they will help out. But for now it's me, but you'll have one-on-one with me, and the gold is the child of all the platinum members idea. It would never happen without having Abdul, Omar, Rahman work so hard. So I am lucky to be with them and to work with them. I'm lucky and honored to work with them. So I just want to make sure that you guys know, and though everyone who gives up, Hanuma and others, your effort is not getting unnoticed. I hear so many good things from them. So thank you for doing it, and let's keep doing it. Like many of you said, this is a community. I'm not perfect, but I learn from all of you. But today I don't know something, and once I learn from you, then tomorrow I'll learn something new, right? So then, and in this journey, that nothing is a constant, everything change. So let's work together. And then we want to make sure that again, from here, you will go there, and then the link, and this link also we are going to be even sharing soon, and I'll work with the team to make sure that whenever they come in, and then you do not have to memorize this link soon. So now floor is yours. Your turn to ask any questions.
So Mushi, you mentioned about launching a new platform that will be coming online soon, where we will have the consolidated information. So when do we expect that to be available?
To be honest, I think this is something, and even Hanuma works behind the scene with the Excel. Ask him the amount of time that they are spending, right? I can tell you that when we are looking for volunteers help us, I had 15, 16 people stepped up. Oh, I'm going to help. Most of our members are in IT field, but then people say, I have all these ideas, but at the end of the day, that since this year January, the 7 months they made a team that was supposed to do work that nothing really got done. Then around September, I was lucky to have Satish. Some of you may already know Satish, and take the lead of this automation. He had 7 members in his team. Out of 7 members, I can tell you only 1 or 2% are unanswered, and very handful people give him support. He's continuously working. Today also, we had since 4 o'clock till right before I come in, he was going to turn on the portal, but we found a bug with Stripe that it was not getting working. But as soon as it does, we're trying to get it as soon as possible. Okay. And I think Mark also came up. Mark is running QA. Some of you already know in the gold room that the Mark is asking, okay, who is going to help us out? So at the end, we're trying, but okay, we will get it very soon.
Thank you.
Mushi, this is Baju. Are you hearing me?
Yes, we can hear you.
So before start of our meeting, so pre-meeting, we were talking about picking up the trades what you and the volunteers are recommending. So can you elaborate on that one? How to pick it, because we cannot pick or we cannot trade all the tickers.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you for remembering that. I just wanted to share with you, not others also. How do you choose how much money to allocate, or whenever you, let's say if you have $1,000 to trade, $1,000 capital that available to trade, how do you allocate the money? Whenever, let's say Abdul gives a trade, I share a trade, others, right? You need to start thinking in a way that, okay, I'm not going to, I have only $1,000. Do I deploy all right away or no? So try to not to in any day or week, just in one trade, not to go all 1,000, just either divide by 5 or divide by 10. Always, I always recommend having 50% cash at hand. So out of 1,000, let's say you keep it 50%, and 500 is not trading. So now you have only $500 to trade. So then on the trade, like Abdul, just look at the rate of a trade that Abdul is sharing, others sharing in a week. We don't give too many, but if he gives in a day 3 trade, and I give 1 trade, and other gives other trade, I don't trade that many also. Then if you go all of them, then you do not have enough money. Let's say now 500, you can allocate 500 in one trade, another 500 another trade. Take 5 trade, take 4 trade, right? But don't go and break down your money. Okay, $125. If you take 4 trade, so divide 125. So 500 divided by 4 is 124 trade. If you say want to go 5, only 5. Don't get greedy and oh no, I want to go all in one. Because what if the trade doesn't go in your favor, right? So this is how you start allocating yourself, and never put, one of the things you're saying, and never put all of your eggs in one basket. And then somebody says, oh, trade did not go right, then you are not losing too much. Does that make sense? Guys?
Yes, it does.
Yeah. So I've seen that people coming in, I don't have money. Then I said, oh, why you don't? So these are the things also with the platinum. When I sit down, I said, you need to learn how to deploy your money and stay disciplined. Boeing is like all of a sudden this money. If you do not have enough money to trade Boeing, then don't put all the money and then later, oh, now Boeing is going the other way. And then you start having all kind of stress. Do you know, how many of you know that, what's the number one cause when people get cancer? What's the number one cause, got any kind of life-threatening disease?
Stress is the culprit.
Stress. And we're here to make money, to be happy, right? To be happy. Instead of being happy to have a good life, we're making our life miserable. Because we said, the moment I buy my stock, you start thinking, and so what? Or you just keep going down and keep going down, keep dying down, because we are not disciplined, right? And sometimes when I hear, still people say, Tesla, oh, Tesla, is it still a good time to buy? And how many of you, I heard some people said, I bought Tesla on 350, but I did not know gold members still all holding Tesla. During midday, I mentioned, if you have Tesla, sell some. I started selling Tesla when it started going over 500. Because can it go higher? Yeah, it can go higher. But anything goes high, it goes down much faster. So let's not be too greedy. Take profit. I know that you're making profit, right? So
yeah, I learned 2 lessons from you. The one was a very good one. First thing, whenever you are in profit, always take your initial capital out, left the few runners there.
yes.
Sit there, don't get too greedy. And the second lesson which I learned from Abdul was that always keep the 25% of your portfolio in cash, so you can do the dollar cost averaging, or when the opportunity comes.
Right. Thank you. Yes. Abdul 25%, I said 50%. It's all, there is no right or wrong answer, right? So, but that's something you always have to start thinking that, hey, what if market can go down? Can it go down? Now we are all-time high. And look around you. What? Everybody's losing jobs. People are dying, and the political situation is very uncertain. But stock market keep going high and high. Doesn't make sense. Today it did not make sense all of a sudden why it went so high, because stock market already calculated that Biden is coming president. But this is the nature of the market. But at this time, some already saw that my one portfolio down, another one is up. So if the other one is up, what do? Keep selling. The one is down, keep buying. This is exactly what I have done today. The one down, I added more, and the one is up, I sold. So tomorrow happen reverse. Then you always, what do? We We always say buy low, sell high. But if it's so high that you keep hoping tomorrow is going to high, and all of a sudden it goes down, and then you start blaming yourself. And then all those stress, no stress plus nobody wants to say I am a loser, right? So why not we just be the winner? Just take it. Don't be greedy. Just take it. So hopefully, Bajwa, that answer your question that when to buy and how much to allocate. Whatever your capital has, just rule of thumb like what some does 25%, some does 50%, and whatever it is, but never put all 25% or 50% in one trade. Divide. Look at your nature. If you are not doing any kind of logs of your trade, start doing it. Look at it in a week, how many trades you make. In a month, how many trades in a month? If you start looking at it, then you'll find average that, okay, in a month, I make 10, 20, 30 trades. Then you just say, okay, amount of money you also invest, then it's okay, this is my investment, this is my loss. And then you will start doing also just like the way we have done that your own Excel. So some of this capability we are going to add in our portal for our gold members soon. So this way that you do not have to do manually, that our team is working on it to help you to create your own success rate.
Mushi, can I just make a quick comment?
Yeah.
We just got a message in here from one of the guests here about how we trade and how we actively do have to monitor the market. So this, I just put the message in there, but I just want to reemphasize that the gold group was set up so that you don't have to actively monitor your positions on a day-to-day basis or hourly basis. The alerts that we're giving are good alerts, and these are swing trades. They're not day trades. They are swing trades.
Yep. You will have more than 24 hours to close it out and just take profit. If not option, then we want to make sure that you know. So that's also something in future with the automation that we are going to come back. Let's say Abdul share with the option, Abdul say close it, and then we'll have in the portal that your method of choice is email. You'll get email that Abdul closed it. So this way that you do not have to go sit there and kind of keep monitoring your trade. So that type of capability we are going to add in soon. So you do not have to keep looking at or Telegram or what do I do in the Telegram. All right. So we'll be sending the notification when we open and when we close some of the trades.
Just a quick example, and then we'll wrap it up because it's getting late. Abdul shared a trade for Hanes, the ticker Hanes that makes the the underwears and the socks, and the call is for January 2022. So how much more time you need than that? Your yearly membership will expire before that call. So you definitely, it's a relaxed atmosphere. You don't have to be constantly glued to the computer watching your trades. All right. So if no other questions, let's wrap it up.
So Omar,
thank you all that joined.
How did they win the prize? I know you have a prize.
Oh, for the Amazon, the gift card.
Yeah, gift.
Yeah, we're doing a little promotion, to make things fun, to give back to our members. We're doing a giveaway for $100 Amazon gift card if you refer 5 members to Gold. If you get 5 people to sign up, we're sending you a $100 gift card for Amazon.
Okay.
And of course, if you don't like Amazon, if you don't shop on Amazon, we can ask you where you want your $100 gift card. We can send you $100 cash if you want. Whatever way you want your $100, we'll send it to you.
Okay.
That's pretty much it.
Okay, guys. Hopefully, it's it's a value for all of you guys. And I wanted to thank again everybody, Abdul, Rahman, Omar, and Hanuma, and Bajwa, Mark. I know everybody behind the scene is helping out. Those whose name I did not mention, please forgive me. There are so many people that we have so many unsung heroes that do not like to get the credit, but this engine would not go without your support. Anyway, you have done, we truly appreciate it, but we are going to get better and better. And those who came in, started from the beginning with us, you are seeing that we evolve. We continuously evolve. We get better and better. So soon, we know that we will have so we'll have a lot of talents that are going to teach us. We'll learn every day, and we'll be how are you going to do? We'll be financial free very soon.
Thanks for watching. Visit our website, urbanhood.org, and join our community at meetup.com and look for financial freedom for you. Thank you, and we hope to see you soon.